Hey guys, I'm super tired. I was reading scripts all day. My eyes are heavy, so let me walk you through my nighttime skincare routine. First, I like to start with Le Serum. It's great for absorbing what comes next. Now I like to use the Hydro-Clarifying Lotion. It helps remove all oil. Then I like to use my Intensive Fortifying Emulsion. Next up is my favorite part of the routine, which is the eye cream. It has an incredible formula and comes with a massage tool. Now let's go on and use our massage tool. You use it gently around your eyes. Don't press hard. It's platinum coated and safe for all metal allergies. It feels amazing and makes everything smoother. My last step of the night is this eye mask. It's a special treatment and instantly makes your eyes feel fresher. You leave it for about 10 minutes or go to bed with it.